show here at the Standard on Center Square. We're here to see what they've created for us for their entry in the Stinky Garlic Cocktail Contest. Come on in. So we're here at the Standard with Angelica, the amazing bartender here, and she has come up with a recipe for a stinky garlic cocktail for our contest. Angelica, take it away.
Hi, we're going to be making a garlic and pickle martini. So I infused Tito's with garlic, and then we have our pickle juice. So it's going to be 2 ounces of our Tito's into our shaker, 2 ounces of pickle juice, okay, and then we're going to shake it. Chill our glass, and then we're going to strain this over our pickle garnish.
It's amazing looking.
Here you go,
Alright,
Jill.
I'm gonna give this a try. I'm feeling very adventurous here. Holy cow. Well, you wouldn't think that would work with a pickle, but it sure does. Oh my gosh. All right, well that's the entry for the Standard, and if you want to vote for Angelica as the winner, go to our link, follow the link, and press like and vote for her.